Welcome back to the channel. If you have been searching for the best robot vacuum and mop combo, you are in the right place. Let's compare the top contenders to help you decide. Product number 1. eufy C28 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Here's the deal, folks. I've got a game changer, and I am stoked to be reviewing the eufy C28 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This thing is a total powerhouse. A 2-in-1 cleaning sensation that's got me hooked from the get-go. Honestly, who needs to hire a cleaning crew when you've got this beast in your corner? It's a vacuum and a mop, folks, all in one sleek package that's going to make your floors shine like new. Trust me, I've used it, and it's a total revelation. This little guy navigates around furniture with ease, sucking up dirt and dust like a pro, and then seamlessly transitions into mop mode, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Wow, I'm telling you, this thing is a total time saver, and it's so easy to use, even my grandma could do it. The eufy C28 is a total winner, and I highly recommend checking it out. Look, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the price? And my answer is a resounding yes. You can check out the link in the description for active discounts, and trust me, you won't regret it. Product number 2. eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop. So, if you've made it this far in our series, I've just reviewed the eufy C28 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. You're probably wondering what's next. Well, I'm excited to introduce you to the eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Now, this one's not a combo, but a separate vacuum and mop unit, which I think is actually a really cool design choice. It's like having two specialized cleaning tools in one convenient package. Honestly, the idea of having a dedicated vacuum and mop just makes so much sense, especially if you have different floor types in your home. Trust me, you'll appreciate the extra flexibility. The Omni C20 looks sleek, has a powerful suction system, and its slim design makes it easy to navigate under furniture. And, of course, the mop attachment allows for effortless hard floor cleaning. Look, I know it's not as advanced as some other models on the market, but for its price point, I think this is a fantastic value. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop combo, or just a vacuum and mop, I'd say give the eufy Omni C20 a serious look. And, as always, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts. Product number 3. Roborock Q10S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. So I just finished reviewing the eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop, and I have to say, it's been an amazing comparison. But now it's time to see how the Roborock Q10S5 Plus fares in this ever-competitive market. Honestly, the name tells you exactly what you're getting. A robot that can vacuum and mop your floors. No brainer, right? Look, I've had my fair share of robot vacuums, but the Q10S5 Plus is something special. It's got a sleek design, Wi-Fi connectivity, and an impressive 3,000 Pascal suction power. Trust me, it's got some serious cleaning chops. But what really sets it apart is the advanced navigation system, which allows it to map out your space and avoid obstacles with ease. The mopping feature is just as impressive, with adjustable water flow and a self-cleaning system to keep your floors spotless. And let me tell you, after using it for a week, my floors have never looked better. Wow, the price point is really competitive too. I think you'll be surprised at just how affordable this little guy is. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and feature-packed robot vacuum and mop, I highly recommend checking out the Roborock Q10S5 Plus. And don't forget to check the link in the description for active discounts. Product number 4. iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. So I just wrapped up our review of the Roborock Q10S5 Plus, a beast of a robot vacuum and mop combo, and I gotta say, it's tough to top that kind of cleaning prowess, but trust me, the iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is definitely worth checking out. Now, I know what you're thinking. another robot vacuum and mop, but hear me out. This one's got a unique selling point. It's a combo that actually works together seamlessly, like a well-oiled machine. The iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo is exactly what it sounds like. A robot vacuum that doubles as a mop, with interchangeable cleaning modes and a self-charging base station. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for those hard-to-reach areas and pet owners who really need a deep clean. Honestly, after seeing how this one performed, I'm hooked. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning game, and with its affordability and impressive features, I think it's a must consider. So head on over to the link in the description to check out the iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo and see what kind of deals you can snag. You won't be disappointed. Product number 5. Tikom robot vacuum and mop combo. You know, I just reviewed the iMartine robot vacuum and mop combo, and let me tell you, it was a solid choice for anyone in the market for a reliable cleaning companion. However, I was excited to dive into the Tikom robot vacuum and mop combo because I'd heard great things about this brand. And honestly, it did not disappoint. This thing is a behemoth of a machine. It's a robot vacuum, but it also comes equipped with a mop attachment, which makes it perfect for those who want to tackle both hard floors and carpets in one go. The design is sleek, the build quality is top-notch, and the navigation system is incredibly intuitive. I mean, it mapped out my entire living room in seconds, and then proceeded to neatly vacuum and mop every inch of it. Trust me, it's a game changer for anyone who's tired of manually cleaning their floors. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just schedule it, let it do its thing, and voila! Your floors will be sparkling clean. Look, I could go on and on about this thing, but I think it's clear. The Tikom robot vacuum and mop combo is a must-have for anyone serious about cleaning. So, check out the link in the description for active discounts on this amazing product. I've covered all the top options, so you don't have to search anymore. Check the description for pricing and more info. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.